Today, we're going to show you how to change the surveillance period on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera. Start by launching the My Home app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the internet. From the home screen of the app, tap on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera to access its control panel. Look for the settings icon and tap it to open the settings menu. Navigate to Schedule Settings. Scroll through the list until you find Schedule Settings or a similar option. This is where you can set specific times for recording or surveillance. Tap on Edit Schedule or Add Schedule to create or modify when the camera should be active. You can set different times for different days according to your needs. Set active periods. Choose the start and end times for the surveillance period. You can usually select the exact hour and minute for each period. And there you have it. Changing the surveillance period on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera is as simple as that.